As our week-long visit to Washington, D.C. continues, I have to tell you, there's a lot to do. And for those of you who love museums, there's no shortage of them, including the Smithsonian, which you could get lost in. After all, it's the largest museum in the world. And if you're a foodie like me, you gotta check out the Julia Child exhibit at the National Museum of American History, which is part of the Smithsonian. There you'll see a replica of the kitchen where Julia created her recipes for her cookbooks and taped her TV show. Then we were off to the Washington Monument. It was built to honor and recognize George Washington's leadership and his many contributions to our country. Did you know George Washington loved corn cakes? Well, he did, and they were part of his morning breakfast routine. He loved them so much, we thought it'd be fitting to recreate the recipe and share it with you. It's simple, yet it tastes so monumental. To get the recipe for what we call George Washington's corn cakes, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a monumental way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.